Why, that's wonderful. That's wonderful. Now look, we'll keep the whole thing a secret until we're ready to release, just in case it doesn't come off. But I'm a bit worried about Lena. She doesn't like Miss Selden. There might be fireworks.
If she sees her, she'll kill her.
No. I guarantee you Lena won't even know she's on a lot.
I'm counting on you, Cosmo. Now the Dueling Cavalier can be saved. Now let's see. The Dueling Cavalier with music. The title's not right. We need a musical title. Well, think, everyone, think.
The Dueling Men.
No.
How does this grab you? The dueling, sometimes singing cavalier.
No.
Well, fine. If that's how you feel, I thought it was cute. I thought it was pretty.
I've got
I'm
it.
an artist.
I've got it. I don't got it. The Dancing Cavalier.
The dancing cavalier. Oh, that's the most ridiculous.
That's it.
Very good, Cosmo.
Cosmo, remind me to make you a scriptwriter.
Thanks, Ralph. Have a cigar.
Thank you. Now, you're sure Lena's not going to find out about this?
Don't worry, we'll record all of our songs at night.
And then dub them in with her dialogue when no one's around.
Sensational. Cosmo, remind me to give you a raise.
Oh, Ralph.
Yes?
Give me a ring.
A raise? Well, that's the most ridiculous thing.
You've got it.
Very good, Cosmo.
All right, Kathy, just a test.
Ready.
And what you dare to say, let's do the same as they. I would you.
All right, Kathy. Go ahead.
Okay. He holds her in his arms, would you? He tells her of her charms, would you? They met as you and I, and they were only friends. But before the story ends, he'll kiss her with a sigh, would you? And if the girl were I, would you? And would you dare to say, let's do the same as they? I would you? And would you dare to say, let's do the same as they? I would
That's great. Enough already. All set, man?
Right.
Nothing can keep us apart. Our love will last till the stars turn cold.
Go ahead, Kathy.
Nothing can keep us apart. Our love will last till the stars turn cold.
Play back.
Nothing can keep us apart. Our love will last till the stars turn cold.
That's perfect. Great. Cut.
Till the stars turn cold. I love you, Ethel Barrymore.
Oh, Don,
I can't wait till this picture's finished. Then no more secrecy. I'm gonna let Lena know. I'm gonna let everyone know.
Oh, your fans will be bitterly disappointed.
Well, from now on, there's only one fan I'm worried about.
There. Oh!
What did I tell you, Lena?
Oh, Dan! Zelda thinks you're real pale.
Now look, Lena,
I want that girl off the line at once! She's not going to be my voice. Zelda here told me everything.
Oh, thanks, Zelda. You're a real pal.
Anytime, John.
Now look, Miss Lamont, Don and I haven't.
Dan! Don't you call him Dan. I was calling him Dan before you were born. I mean, you were kissing him.
Well, I was kissing her. I happened to be in love with her.
It's ridiculous. Everyone knows
Now, Lena, try and understand this. I'm going to marry her.
Silly boy. She ain't the marrying kind. She's just a flirt trying to get ahead by using you. But I'll put a stop to that. I'm going right up to see RF now.
You're a little too late, Lena. We're going to get this picture finished, and if this girl weren't in the picture, you'd be finished too.
As far as I can see, she's the only one who's finished. Who'd ever hear of her?
Everyone! Kathy nearly stole Beautiful Girl, and she's getting the second lead in her next movie.
She is?
She's just doing you a favor, helping you on Dancing Cavalier. And she's getting full screen credit for doing it.
What? You mean it's gonna say on the screen that I didn't sing and twerk for myself?
Well, of course, what did you think?
They can't do that!
Well, it's already been done.
But no one knows about it yet.
Well, they will. There's a whole publicity campaign being planned.
Publicity? They can't make a fool out of Lena Lamont! They can't make a laughing stock out of Lena Lamont! What do they think I am? Dumb or something? Why, I make more money than Calvin College put together!
Now don't start worrying.
No, don't start worrying.
I'd better go up to RF before Lena gets there.
She really can't do anything, can she?
Just relax. Come here. He holds her in his arms, would you? He tells her of his charms, would you? They met as you and I, and they were only friends.
I told you.
You were right, and I wasn't going to believe you. Can you imagine what lies she must have told him about me? Me, his fiancée, the girl he's gonna marry. Oh, you read all about it.
Sure, you must be broken-hearted.
Yeah, I'm crushed. But I'm not taking this lying down. Lena Lamont is no fool, you know. I'm calling my lawyer. I'm calling my agent. I'm calling my mother. I'm a big star.
You are, Lena. You got right.
I owe my public. Just thinking of that alone makes me ill.
Now don't make yourself sick.
Oh, Zelda, how can you say that? Think of all those people when they find out they're using someone else's voice instead of mine. And what's wrong with my voice anyway?
Nothing. Absolutely nothing.
Yeah, ain't it the truth?
Now don't let it upset you, honey. Well, I gotta go. You stay calm. You know how it makes you sweat. And remember, last time, you got hives.
Zelda, pills. I'm beautiful, ain't I? Yeah. And I'm talented, ain't I? Yeah. If you was a man, you could fall in love with me. Yeah. And would you ever be unfaithful? Never. You would always adore me. Always. I don't understand it. What's wrong with me? Why doesn't he kiss me? He has a chance for a romance. What's wrong with me? What's wrong with me? How feel him. He doesn't feel my sex appeal. What's wrong with me? Maybe I'm much too exciting. At dinner, he don't even fight. I know I'm truly inviting, so why don't he stay for dessert? He asked me out in the moonlight, feeling good to ride. I thought he'd take me in his arms, but he just took me What's wrong with him? Yeah, he's lost his libido. I got the urge, so why don't he splurge? What's wrong with him? What's wrong with him? We should be dancing. I'm hot to trot. He'd rather not. What's wrong with him? There's things more important than diction. So a girl can't say cause. Listen it. Why is he causing such friction? When he could be Mr. Lemon. What's wrong with me? Why all the confusion? I'm quite a girl, a real cultured pearl. What's wrong with me? I ain't so dumb. This peach ain't a plum. What's wrong with me? Nothing.
You sent for me, boss.
Where's Don?
I think he's working with Kathy Selden.
So that's the problem. Hurricane Lena just stormed through here. Good thing I was in the inner office. Casting. Oh. So Lena found out. She's upset.
A little.
Say, RF, have you seen the new footage from the Would You number?
That Selden girl is great no matter what Lena says. When this picture's finished, I'm gonna give her a big build-up. How much do we have left to do?
We're still trying to crack that big production number, boss.
Tap dancing.
Huh?
We've got to have tap dancing.
We can't have tap dancing. The picture takes place during the French Revolution.
We've got to have tap dancing.
We've got to have tap dancing.
See?
How's this? We throw a modern section into the picture. The hero is a Broadway huffer, right?
Right.
He sings and dances, right?
Right.
Well, one night he's backstage reading the Tale of Two Cities in between numbers, see? When a sandbag falls on his head. And voila! He dreams he's back in the French Revolution, right?
Sensational.
Excuse me, Cosmo, but how are you going to do this?
Close your eyes. Close your eyes. And imagine this.
White Way, Dictionary Cafe. Orchestras playing, taking your breath away with the Broadway.
boss? What do you think?
It's a little hard to imagine. Could you tell it to me just one more time?
Hello out there. This is Dora Bailey talking to you in front of Grauman's Chinese Theater in Hollywood. What a night. Every star is here to make the premiere of monumental pictures, The Dancing Cavalier. Once again, we reunite those immortal screen lovers, Don Lockwood and Lena Lamont, in their first ever all-talking, all-singing, all-dancing musical romance. It is a night that will go down in cinematic history.
They're loving it, RF. They're loving it.
Of course they're loving it. This is an R.F. Simpson production. Well, Monumental Pictures wildly enthusiastic over Lena's new singing pipes and dancing steps. I never said that. Premieres tomorrow night to reveal Lena Lamont's big musical talent. Boss, you can't pull a switch like this on the publicity department. We already had a whole campaign prepared for Kathy Selden. Now wait a minute, I don't know anything about this. I had nothing to do with it. Well, what are we gonna do?
Nothing. You wouldn't want to call the papers and say Lena Lamont is a big fat liar.
Lena, did you send all that stuff out?
I gave an exclusive story to every newspaper in town.
Lena, you'll never get away with this. Rod, call the newspapers back.
I wouldn't do that if I were you, RF.
Don't tell me what to do, Lena.
What do you think I am? Dumb or something? I have my lawyers go over my contract.
Contract?
Yeah, and I control my publicity, not you.
Yeah?
Yeah, the studio's responsible for every word printed about me. And if I don't like it, I can sue.
What?
I can sue! If you tell the papers about Kathy Selden, it would be detrimental and deleterious to my career. I could sue you for the whole studio.
That's a lot of nonsense.
It says so right here. Contract dated June 8, 1925. Paragraph 34, subdivisionary A. The party of the first part. That's me.
You win, Lena. Satisfied?
Only one little thing more.
Yeah? Want me to change the name of the studio to Lamont's Pictures Incorporated?
Oh, RF, you're cute. No, I was just thinking. You've given this girl a part in Zelda's picture, and you're gonna give her an even bigger one in the next.
So?
So, if she's done such a great job doubling for my voice, don't you think she better go on doing just that and nothing else?
Lena, you're out of your mind.
After all, I'm still more important to the studio than she is.
Lena, I wouldn't do that to her in a million years. Why, you'd be taking that girl's career away.
Yeah.
People just don't do things like that.
People! People! I ain't people. I'm a shimmering, glowing star in the cinema firmament.
My lady, can you ever forgive me?
Yes, I can. Yes, I can.
And would I dare to say you'll marry me someday?
Yes, yes, I would.
Yes, we could. Yes, we should.
Terrific. Lockwood and Lamont Pictures are going to be greater than ever.
It was good, wasn't it?
Wonderful, Don. It worked. The public loves you two.
Get on to it, I do.
Come on, they're screaming. Go and take a bow. Go on.
Great job.
Congratulations, Jesus and Snow. I owe a lot to you.
Thanks.
Kathy, we made it.
Oh, Don, it's a miracle.
Wait, Don, you were fabulous. You sing as well as Kathy Selden.
Yeah, and I'm going to for a long time.
Hey, what's that supposed to mean?
I mean, she's gonna keep right on doubling for me.
Oh, listen, Lena, I knew that what was cooking under those bleached curls of yours. Now get this. Kathy's got a career of her own. We only did this to save this one picture, right?
That's what you think.
Come on, they're tearing the house apart. Go and take another bow. Go on.
Locked and Lockwood forever. Listen, you boa constrictor, don't get any fancy ideas about the future. Come on, tell her, RF.
Never mind, RF. Listen to that applause out there. It's for me, for Lena Lamont. Wait till the money starts rolling in. You're not gonna give all that up because a little nobody who nobody ever heard nothing about don't want to be my voice.
He's got something there, boss. It's a gold mine. He got no choice.
Now, part of that choice is mine, Miss Lamont. I just won't do it.
You've got a 5-year contract, honey. You'll do what RF says.
Well, what's the matter, RF? Why don't you tell her off, huh?
I don't know. I'm so confused. This thing is so big. Come on, they're screaming. Go and take another bow. Go on.
Let's give you a cigar. Have it, that.
No, wait a minute, Cosmo. Wonderful job.
Listen to them. I'm benevolent. Ha, Selden, you're stuck.
Look, RF, if this happens, you can get yourself another boy, because I won't do it.
Don.
Don!
No, really, you'll be making your Lockwood Lamont pictures without Lockwood.
So, who needs you? I'll be twice as big without you. They'd come to see me if I played opposite of monkey.
Now, just a minute, Lena. Don's a smash, too. I'm still running this studio.
I'm not so sure. You're the big Mr. Producer, always running things, running me. Well, from now on, I'm running me. As far as I'm concerned, I'm running the studio.
Lena, I think you've gone a little too far. The speech, Don. You're yelling for a speech.
A speech? Yeah. Well, everybody's always making speeches for me. Well, tonight, for the first time, I'm gonna do my own talking. I'm gonna make the speech.
No, Lena, please.
Wait a second, Rod. This is Lena's big night, and she's entitled to the talking, right?
Right.
Right.
And I'm right. Right.
Don always doesn't talk, so just gotta let Don come out. Go get him. It's not Don, it's Lena.
Ladies and gentlemen, I can't tell you how thrilled we are at your reception for The Dancing Cavalier, our first musicale picture together. If we bring a little joy into your humdrum lives, it makes us feel our hard work hasn't been in vain for nothing. Bless you all.
Hey, you didn't sound that way in the picture.
Yeah, come and talk to the friend.
Sing for us, come on.
What am I gonna do? Tell him I got a cold, a frog, or something?
Yeah, that's right.
Wait a second, Cosmo RF, I got an idea.
What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do?
Lena, we've got it. It's perfect. Rod, get a microphone set up behind the curtain. Kathy's gonna stand back there and sing for you.
I'll never do it.
She's gotta do it.
Yes, this thing is too big.
He's right. Nina's bigger than all of us. Nothing must stand in the way.
You mean she'll be back the curtain singing, and I'll be up front, making with the mouth like in the picture?
That's it.
All right, Don. I'll do it. But I'll never see you again, on or off the screen.
The audience awaits.
Well, at last somebody's getting some sense around here. Thank you, Donnie.
Miss Lamont, what are you going to sing?
Would you?
Would you?
Miss Lamont, what key?
C.
See.
We'll see how it sounds.